Hey guys, it's Bobby Legs and welcome to another episode of Bobby Legs Loves Watches and welcome to an unboxing video. Today I got finally the last of my Black Friday purchases. I found this website a few weeks back, Time Machine Plus, and they had some great deals on watches and other accessories. They had make an offer weekend, any kind of offer weekend on any other products, and I picked up a Frogman there for a good price, G-Shock Frogman. And so when Black Friday along, I decided to pick up a watch box, a new watch box. I wanted a watch box that could not just only hold watches, but that had a drawer compartment where I can keep all my straps. Right now I have my straps kind of all over the place. And let me set this aside over here. Excuse the mess at the dining room table. But it is, yeah. I've seen this watch box for months and months now, like on sites like Amazon, and it's a Wolf watch box, and I liked the color scheme. It was like a brown and orange, and I figured, why not? Why not go for it now? I felt like it was a pretty good deal. Comes with a nice little key. Okie dokie. Very nice wrapping. Let's see if I can get that out of there. Feels pretty solid. Oh yeah, good looking. Ah, yeah, I mean, look, this is pretty good looking watch box, I would have to say. I think I'm pretty happy with it. I mean, like, the other one I had was decent enough, and I got it from Amazon for like 30 or 40 bucks. But I wanted something a little nicer and had this. This was the important part. I wanted something with a drawer here where I can keep some straps. I guess you can keep cufflinks here. I don't know. Not that I have many cufflinks, but I guess I could keep some straps here, or even some watch tools, spring bar tools, and screwdrivers and whatnot. Yeah, cool, awesome, and keeps 10. So maybe I'll have my fancy watches here on this one. The cushions are alright, nothing spectacular, but I do like the color scheme, this brown and orangey look. Awesome. So yeah, you know what? I'm wearing the Casio Titanium Original G-Shock Square. Let's throw this guy on there and see how it is. The pillows are fairly thin, but yeah, not too shabby. Let's close that. Yeah, that'll work. That'll work. I'm pretty happy with this purchase. Anyway, guys, thanks for sticking in on this unboxing. Let me know what you think about this watch box and what do you guys use as a watch box. And I'll see you guys in the next video.